Can these $15 pants that I found at Costco actually compete with travel pants that cost nearly 10 times as much? Let's see if we have a true Costco hidden gem here or if these are just cheaply made pants with expensive sounding features. Let's get started. All right, so here are the pants that I picked up at Costco. The brand here is called Weatherproof Vintage. These are their tech pants. I paid $14.99 for these, which is kind of the whole reason this video exists. So we'll do a quick feature overview here. First off, the pants have a lot of stretch. All throughout the pants, it stretches very well, even down to the hem here. The waistband doesn't stretch too much, but they are very soft and they do flex when they sit around your waist here, so they're nice for wearing all day. They're made of a viscose, nylon, and elastane blend, so they have that soft, kind of lightweight material, but still some of the stretch and movement that you'd want from a pair of travel pants. The color I have here is kind of a gunmetal gray or stone gray, so it's pretty neutral, easy to wear, easy to pair with normal travel outfits, and definitely not too loud. Pockets wise, you have 6 total pockets here, 2 on the side, an additional side zipper pocket here on the right hand pocket with a YKK zipper. On the back, you have 2 standard back pockets, and probably the best feature on this pair of pants here is the hidden concealed security pocket here. As you can see, there's a little flap here that conceals this YKK zipper on the back. And this goes very deep all the way down to here, and it is separate from this back pocket here. Really cool feature if you want to keep your passport. As you can see, the passport wallet is right about here. It is very deep. I mean, you could put travel documents, any kind of larger thing back here. It will protrude the thicker that you stuff this, but I was very impressed with how deep this back security pocket goes. So these are a straight fit pant, and that matters because the opening at the bottom is definitely wider than something more tapered or modern. Some people will like that, some people will not. If you prefer slimmer travel pants, this may be one of the biggest downsides to this pair of pants here. These pants come with some built-in water resistance, but it's important to note these are not waterproof rain pants. But for light rain, spills, or travel day accidents, that water resistance is a useful feature here. So from a pure feature standpoint, these are honestly pretty impressive for $15. You're getting stretch, water resistance, YKK zippers all throughout, 6 pockets, and one of the best hidden security pockets I've ever seen on a pair of pants here. And that's a lot for the money. Now, when you compare these to some more expensive pants like the Teren, Lululemon ABC, or like the KETL Mountain tomfoolery pants, you'll start to see a little bit of a difference. The Costco pants have all of the basics nailed down that you'd want from a pair of travel pants, but they don't have some of the more refined details. One example is the pocket reinforcement here. There is no additional pocket reinforcement here like on the KETL or the Teren pants here. So if you want to run a pocket knife or a multi-tool or anything that has a knife clip that's going to really tear up your pocket over time, you're not going to have as great of an experience as you would with some more expensive travel pants. Now, again, take into consideration that these pants cost around 8, 9, 10 times as much as these pants. So definitely something to consider. I would say probably the major difference between the Costco pants and more premium travel pants that are out there are the gusseted crotch, or lack thereof on the ones from Costco here. You wouldn't think that it mattered as much, but having actual gusseted crotch built into your pants makes a world of difference for long-term comfort. And that's something that all of these other kind of premium travel pants have that the Costco ones don't have. This probably cuts several steps out of the manufacturing process, but I don't believe this would be a terribly expensive ad to throw into the next iteration of these pants if they wanted to take them up a notch. So probably one of my favorite features on modern travel pants or modern utility pants like these are the built-in drawstring feature. Whether you've forgotten your belt or you just want a little extra security, it's very handy to have a drawstring system built into your pants. I have them on the Terens here. I also have them on the KETL Mountain tomfoolery pants. This is definitely something that would probably up the cost for manufacturing, And something like that would definitely not be found in a $15 pair of pants. If they're gonna make some cuts somewhere, probably the gusseted crotch and the drawstring system is where they, would cut that out. But who knows, maybe they'll throw them in the future, and this will definitely up the ante on a pair of pants like these. So with the travel pants from Costco, standard button here, as you can see, just like a normal button, can take a little bit of effort to come in and out. The most amazing button clasp on the planet, like on the Terens here, which is simply a magnetic button closure, is something you're not gonna find on the $15 pair of pants here. If you wanted to get pants like these Terens that keep bugs and mosquitoes and ticks and all kinds of bugs away with the permethrin coated treatment that they have on these pants, which is good for like 80 washes or something like that, it's definitely something you're not gonna find on the pants. And I will say the other main call out between all the other pants and these is, even though these are lightweight enough to be wearing all day, take on light hikes and urban adventures, they are heavier than all of these pants. Just take note that you are going to have more of a weight sacrifice with the cheaper pair of pants. And probably the overall glaring difference between a $15 pair of travel pants and more higher end, more expensive travel pants that are out there is gonna be the fit. And I didn't know this until I watched some YouTube videos about the fitting process and how when a brand creates a pair of pants, there is a very intense, lengthy, and pretty comprehensive fitting process that can add a lot of expense to launching a new product, like some of these pants over here. So that's probably something that this brand that sells bulk in Costco didn't do. So the fit here is definitely a boxier kind of fit everybody, no matter what kind of pants. But again, $15 and you have a pretty solid pair of stretchy pants. For the value, I don't know if that can be beat. It's just a matter of how you're going to use your pants. Are you gonna flex from dinner to hiking to business meetings and whatnot? Or are you just looking to say, hey, it's a pair of pants, I'm gonna throw these on and they're gonna do me for my trip? Definitely a personal consideration there. All right, so let me know in the comments, would you buy these $15 pants from Costco and use for your travel adventures? Or are these just too basic for you and you require some of the higher end materials and features that some of the other more expensive pants deliver? As always, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.